In this video, you'll learn how to change the super admin in Zoho CRM. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully assigned a new super admin to your organization. Begin by navigating to the Zoho CRM homepage, open your web browser and enter the Zoho CRM URL. Once the page loads, you should see the main dashboard with various options available for managing your CRM. Next, locate and click on the Users option. This can typically be found on the left sidebar menu. After clicking, the Users page will display a list of all current users associated with your account, providing an overview of their roles and permissions. After that, select Company Settings. This option is usually found within the Users page. Clicking on it will direct you to a new section where you can manage various company settings, including user roles and permissions. Once this appears, find and click on the edit icon. This icon is usually represented by a pencil or symbol. Clicking it allows you to modify the company details, including the super admin settings. Then proceed to the company details section. This section contains all relevant information about your organization. You will see various fields that can be edited, which are essential for managing user roles. Following this, locate and click on Super Admin. This option will allow you to change the current super admin. After clicking, a list of eligible users will appear, showing their names and roles within the organization. Now, choose the user you want to become the new super admin. Click on their name from the list displayed. This step is crucial as it determines who will have the elevated permissions associated with the super admin role. Finally, click on the Save button to confirm your selection. This button is typically located at the bottom of the page. Once you click Save, a confirmation message should appear, indicating that the changes have been successfully applied. Ensure that you see this confirmation before exiting the page. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.